In this video, we're going to show you the process of installing and testing the Game Creator 1 plugin for MMLC. This assumes all of the MMLC installation process has already been done. And at that point, you're going to have probably something like these errors in the console. These are all spurious. So if you clear it out, everything's ready to go. And nothing else has been installed other than MMLC and its requirements. So we're going to go ahead and go to the package manager and install Game Creator 1, not 2. So we'll import that. A pop-up will come up saying install Game Creator 1.1.16. That's the current version that's supported. So let's install that. Now Game Creator is installed. You can tell that because you have the Game Creator window up here. And we're just going to work on core module today. So the next step, so we have MMLC, we have Game Creator. So the next step is to install the Game Creator plugin. You're going to do that via the package manager or from a package you've installed, pulled down from our Discord. But I'm just going to drag in the package for Game Creator. So this is the MMLC Game Creator plugin. Excellent. So to test that this is working, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Plugins, repeat MMC Game Creator, Demos, and just open up the example scene. And so let's just walk through this real quick. You have your main camera, as you would expect. You have, the environment, your light. I have a NPC target, so I can show you the nav mesh functionality. And then we have our Game Creator character. So you have your player character, character animator, controller, all the normal stuff. But you'll notice there's also the NG character controller wrapper, the character itself, and the Game Creator script. So those three things are all specific to MMLC. And then if you look down here, you'll see quite a few new things that weren't there before. So that's all auto-installed by the config wizard. But first, let's just test that everything is working. So I'll hit play. Okay, and so we have our character. And so the first thing you're going to notice without doing anything is his feet aren't touching the ground. And that's because, and if I'll just switch over to, there's the normal Game Creator walking, right? So I just press the E key because that's one of the hotkeys in the example scene. Press E again, you'll notice we float above the ground. So let's fix that. To do that, we go over to Tools, repeat MMC Configuration Wizard, and we go ahead and dock that with our inspector. Game Creator 1 drops all of its animations by 0.1 meters. So it kind of sets the ground level to actually be the ankles of the character and then shifts everything up to make that work well. So in order to use, like for example, the MXM built-in mocap, which is the default animation set used by the motion matching locomotion controller, MMLC, we need to do a few things. And you'll notice when you bring up the MMC configuration wizard, you'll find that that is shows you everything that's been installed. So the motion matching is good, Game Creator is good, the traversal module, we haven't installed that. I'll do that in a different video. And here are the 3 steps you need to take to get your mocap set working. The first one is the FBX modifier. And if you look, it'll tell you what to do. But let's go ahead and click Modify FBX Prefabs, hit Modify FBX Prefabs again. And what that's doing is setting up all of the animation settings for the entire set so that they're proper and can be supported by running mocap. The second thing is the height offset. So let's go ahead and fix that. And here let me just scroll over so you can see what the button actually says. Modify XBX prefabs. That is actually shifting down all the animations in the set so that they match up. And then the last one is the GC1 strafe fix. So it turns out there's a special fix that's needed to be done specifically just for strafing, and it's an integration package. So you click ping integration package. There it is. We'll go ahead and double click that to import it. And this will fix strafing for the MXM mocap set. Now all that's been installed, we can recheck our dependencies. And if you wish to do that just automatically, go ahead and click here. But Sometimes it's a little annoying if you save your package or you bring in more stuff, it'll automatically check dependencies and bring this up in front of your inspector, which isn't desired. So just uncheck this automatically recheck dependencies on import or delete assets, and that will stop this from ever popping up when you don't want it to. All right, so now we're full green. We have our mocap set is ready to go, and we can try again. Okay, now his feet are planted firmly on the ground. Works, and then there's strafe. And sure enough, strafe is working. Yep, there's backwards. Go ahead and spin him around. Yep. And that'll do it for this video.